Okay, class, this is an example I'm going to post here of how to use some of the technology found in your final service learning small group project. So this is coming to you live from my desktop and my laptop. So let's take a look at first the final service learning assignment for your small group. There was some confusion over the group wiki assignment about how to do the questions. Again, your group has to answer all 10 of these questions. And I would suspect that you will split it up in your small group, so one member can do question 1, 2, 3. The next person could do 4 and 5. The next person could do 6, 7, and 8. And you can split it up like that. So once you have the questions split up among the group members, then you need to decide how each of you are going to record or answer those questions. So once you've determined that, your group has to decide what technology each individual is going to use to answer their questions. I have the directions there, of course, that you have to use AudioBoo at least twice, and some of the other ones once or twice as well. So your group members have to decide what technology you're going to use. And some of you, some of this like SlideShare or Animoto or some of these might be a little bit more difficult, and so several group members could team up together and work on those. So the first one, AudioBoo, is really very easy. Let's take a look at that real quickly. So the home page of AudioBoo looks like this. You can sign up for your free account here, and then the pink box here is a short video intro, which I don't think you even need to. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you need to. And you can sign in up here. I'm already signed in. That's me, Patton. And that's what it is. And you can start recording right here where it says start recording, or when you click the My Profile button here, you can also hit new recording there as well. So it doesn't really matter which way you want to do it. So if you go back to the front page, you can just click start recording, and this will pop up. And you got your mic ready? Yes, I do. And it loads up, and here it is. And this is all it is. And then you can just hit recording whenever you're ready, and it will start recording you. And you start talking and start answering one of those 10 questions that I gave you. You can pause it, think about what you're trying to say, and then hit resume, and then keep talking, and then maybe pause it again, get a sip of water. You can always preview it, and you can always restart it as well. So, just 3 buttons that you really have to worry about. And when you're done, you just hit happy, add a title, and that basically saves it, and you're done. You're done with it. So if you click that and you go to My Profile, it'll show up here under your profile where your audio will show up. So I have 2 examples right there, and so when I take a look at one of mine, this is what pops up. This is your recorded audio sample right here. So what you're going to do with this here is you're going to take your audio clip and you're going to put it on your Wikispaces site. So you just click embed, and a little window pops up, and all this gobbledygook here in the middle is what we call the embed code, which is what you need to be able to paste it onto the Wikispaces page. So you just click on it, and it automatically highlights. You hit Control C or copy, and you control copy that. Then you go to your Wikispaces site, and then here you are, the home page. Maybe this is your page, and then you just click edit on your Wikispaces page. You look for the little widget button right here, the little TV. You click that. You find Mr. Other HTML. You click that, and then there's a big white empty box here. Just click it, and you'll see the cursor there, and you just hit Control V or paste it. However you do copy and paste, that's fine. You paste it, and there's your gobbledygook right here, and then you can just hit save, and there's your widget right here. And so when you save your Wikispaces site, you'll see your AudioBoo pop up right here. So whatever you titled it will be right here, and whatever your name or your username will be right there as well. So maybe you want to title it the question number that you answered, or give it an interesting title and your name or something like that. Or you can just put a caption below it there as well. Then you'll be able to hit play and listen to your audio right on your Wikispaces page. So it's pretty simple. That's the other widget, and you just use the blue box there. I'm going to get rid of that off of our main page, but again, you just hit that widget TV box on there. So it's pretty easy. The AudioBoo stuff is pretty easy to use. So I'm hoping that this will be helpful for you, just to at least see how indeed quick this is to use, especially the audio build. The other things will be a little bit longer, but I'll make a video of that shortly here too. So thank you for listening.